Hey, this is Hank. Today we're going to look at a ceiling fan light fixture that someone over disassembled. They were wanting to change the pull chain light switch and got a little overzealous with the taking things apart and got it to the point where it was pretty difficult to get back together. So I'll kind of rush through the putting back together part because that's hopefully a situation you don't get yourself into. And it was not a step-by-step procedure. It was trial and error for quite a bit of time. They got that bulb socket taken apart, which is pretty easy to do. It's just 3 screws on a bracket, but then that thing comes apart and those two-piece socket uh, contactors, they do not want to go back together.
So what I've done, I've snipped the original switch, just snipped the wires off. I've put a couple of butt splices here. If you want to see how to do that, there is a short called Splice Up Your Life. You can catch that, and it shows you how these butt splices work. Now I get the new switch. Okay, these wires will just we'll leave them long. It's fine. There's plenty of room in there for the wires. It's a switch. It doesn't matter which wire, you're just switching the hot side of the AC. So you're going to close a set of contacts. So which wire goes where, it doesn't matter. Stick that in there good. Crimp the butt splice. It's good. Stick that in. Crimp it. Okay. So that is all that needed to be done. Don't take apart this. Don't try to feed your wires and all that. Just snip the switch off, splice the new one on. Then you can just reassemble your fan.
So all the disassembling that needs to be done is loosen the 2 screws on either side of the light fixture, give it the little 1/4-inch turn, and let the fixture come apart. It will be dangling by the wiring harness, which has a plug on it. You can unplug the connection there and then get the light fixture down on the ground, and then you can snip off that switch and splice on the new one. Then reverse, just plug the plug back together, stick the light fixture back up over the screws you've loosened, and give it the 1/4-inch turn counterclockwise, and then tighten everything up. So don't over disassemble. If you do, you may want to just go buy a new light fixture. It is not worth trying to put these things back together. So unless you're just really stubborn like I am, you'll time would be better spent just going and buying a new fixture and then moving on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on How That Works with Hank Ball.